Good morning, y'all. I'm about to do a cold start on this diesel. Looks like we got a little bit of antifreeze leak for some reason. I don't know why. What the hell's going on down here? Holy cow. This thing's dirty. It's been snowing. Got crap all over it. Let's check. Look like I got a leak real quick. See what's going on here before we start this truck. Let's see how much fluid we got in here. Yeah. Looks like we'll be alright. Let's go ahead and start this bad boy. Let's see how she cranks over. I think it's 8 degrees outside right now. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That thing is froze. Tell you how cold it was. It says 16 on the dash. Let her warm up. Let's see how she starts today. I know she's cold. Oh yeah. Man, I knew she was cold. That wind's so blowing. Truck sized up, filthy. Man. It's a new project I'm working on. I got me a little PT Cruiser. I'm gonna put a turbo on it. This is a non-turbo cruiser. Picking up people's trash. Wind was blowing yesterday, 40 to 50 mile an hour, and there's trash everywhere. I don't know whose shit this is. Well, it came from over there. She's cold, guys. She is cold, cold, cold. Super cold.
The most famous reindeer Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Let's get these seats warmed up. Let's go check the mail real quick. My hands are starting to freeze. It is cold. Mail hasn't been here. No. Alright guys, I'm about to get off here. Y'all have a good Christmas. Thanks for watching my videos. Free affordable pressure wash.